Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can change background color in Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, let's just open up our Photoshop mobile application. And after that, we can choose a photo we want to change the background. For example, I'm going to change the background color of this photo. So I'm going to click on this photo and then we can go to the background section. Just scroll all the way to the right a little bit. And this is the background option. And then you have to click on this background and choose the color you would like to apply to your background. And I'm just going to apply this color, for instance. Then after that, we just need to click on this icon to save this photo to our device. Alright guys, and that's how we can change the background color of our photo using Photoshop mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.